Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to detach a component in Figma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to edit a component without affecting the original or remove its link to the master component, you can simply use this detach method. So to do this, you need to simply select the component. For instance, so you need to simply select the component that you want to detach. Once you have done this, you need to simply right click on the instance. From the context menu, simply choose Detach Instance option, and after you have done this, you can also use keyboard shortcuts like Command plus Option plus B if you are in Mac, or if you are using Windows, you can simply use Control plus Alt plus B. Once you have done this, you can now edit the object as a regular group or frame and no longer it is linked to the main component. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.